Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we shall see Hamster Kombat tips and understanding Hamster Kombat profit per hour and also Hamster Kombat coin balance. Alright, so of the two, we have to understand which one is the most important in this case. So first of all, I'll come and open up my Hamster Kombat account like this. Alright, so we're going to be learning on Hamster Kombat profit per hour and hamster balance. Which one is more important, guys? Alright, so in a login, just say thank you for that. Alright, so guys, as you can see, if I tap here, I'm mining over here, but my profit per hour is over here. Okay, and it's 3.2k. okay, it's 3.2k. okay, so this means every after 1 hour I'll just be getting 3.2k every after 1 hour. Even if I'm not typing like this, it will be automatically mining itself. So this means profit per hour is more important in Hamster Kombat. This balance is useless if at all it's not increasing. So you have to be careful. You have to work on the profit per hour like this, because the more profit per hour you have, the more your balance will increase. Because guys, remember, you're not going to be on your Hamster Kombat account every time doing like this, mining like this. No. So how to increase your profit per hour? Come to mine section here. When you come to mine section, you have some cards over here that you can buy. You can buy this one, the BTC pairs. You can buy the top CMC pairs. You can buy any of these. When you buy them, they'll be increasing the profit per hour. So for example, buy this one here. Tap on go ahead, purchase it, and you purchase also this one here. Go ahead. Okay, you see guys, and the more you purchase this, you can see over here they say profit per hour plus 105. So this means they'll be adding 105 coins on your profit per hour when you purchase this one here. So you keep on purchasing all these cards and you'll be increasing your profit per hour. So guys, make sure that you increase your profit per hour. As you can see, my profit per hour has now increased to 4k. Recently it was at 3.2k. So after buying some cards from the mine section here, it has increased to 4.4k. So guys, make sure you increase the profit per hour. The account balance will remain the same if at all the profit per hour isn't working well, guys. Alright, so guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.